What's up guys, this is Seth here with Vicrez. Today we're going to be going over some of our custom steering wheel orders. Today we have a custom steering wheel order. This customer chose for the material the matte carbon fiber. Along with the carbon fiber trim, it has the blue Alcantara along with the white stitching and our red carbon fiber hand grip inlays. Here we have another custom steering wheel order. This one is the gloss carbon fiber with the LED. This one also came with our black leather hand grips, as well as the center trim pieces and black stitching. Here we have another custom steering wheel order. This one is our 2020 C8 Corvette. Here, as you can see, it comes with our gloss carbon fiber material, as well as our gloss carbon fiber hand grip inlays, our white leather, along with black stitching. And as you can see here, it comes with our carbon fiber center trim pieces, as well as our custom embroidered airbag cover. Here we have another custom steering wheel order. This one is also a 2020 C8 Corvette. Here, this customer has ordered our gloss carbon fiber material, as well as our gloss carbon fiber hand grip inlays. This one came with the red leather hand grips, as well as the red stitching. Here we have another custom steering wheel order. This one is also our 2020 C8 custom steering wheel order with our LED screen. This one came with our black Alcantara, as well as our gloss carbon fiber, red carbon fiber hand grip inlays, as well as our red stitching color.